There are more than 20 million heating systems in Germany and over 1 million heat pumps. Heat pumps are good, but we can do more. It's time for a heat pump revolution with 7BC. Our 7 steps for a better climate through the AI and the IoT. By the end of 2024, we'll be using data from heating systems to 1. Detect faults in the systems. 2. Reduce the energy consumption by 20%. 3. Provide predictive maintenance for heating systems. 4. Integrate smart home functionalities so that by the end of 2030, 5. Homeowners use the car as a home energy storage system with a mobility guarantee. 6. Support energy suppliers as smart grid partners for a secure power grid. 7. Supply 100,000 households with cheap electricity from the Electricity Exchange. Tenants and owners save money. Our CO2 footprint improves. 7BC. 7 steps to a better climate.